Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to enroll to online banking in Bank of America. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Bank of America. Click on this first website over here. Now we can see this button called Enroll. Simply tap on this. Now enter your card or account number here. Now enter the social security number or tax ID number here. And if you do not have it, simply click on this button. If you want to learn the steps, you can click on this one. And now simply click on continue. After which we can create our username and password to log in further. So this is all we can do to enroll in online and mobile banking in Bank of America. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe.